Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It is a beautiful day to practice English.
It really is, Paul. You sound very happy today. You have a lot of energy.
I do. I am very happy and full of energy. Do you know why?
Let me guess. Did you have a good sleep?
Well, yes, but that is not the reason.
Did you win the lottery?
No, I wish. The reason is simple. I just had a delicious cup of coffee.
Ah, of course. Coffee makes everything better. I love coffee too.
It is my favorite part of the morning. It wakes me up.
Me too. And actually, Paul, that is our topic for today.
Oh? Is our topic coffee?
Close. Today we are talking about the daily routine at the coffee shop.
That is a fantastic topic. Many people go to coffee shops every day. It is a very popular routine.
Yes, whether you go to work or meet friends, the coffee shop is a special place.
And it is a great place to speak English.
Exactly. But before we order our drinks, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, we do. If you enjoy our podcast, please take a second to click the like button.
It really helps us. And please subscribe to Mr. English Channel so you don't miss our conversations.
And share this episode with your friends who love coffee and English.
Okay, Paul, let's imagine we are walking into a coffee shop. What is the first thing you notice?
The smell.
Yes, the smell of fresh coffee beans. It is wonderful.
And the sound. You hear the coffee machines whoosh and the milk steaming shh.
Great sound effects, Paul. Yes, it is a busy place.
So we walk to the counter. There is a person working there. What do we call this person?
Good question. In English, we often call this person a barista.
A barista. Okay. And they are usually very friendly.
Yes, they might say, "Hi, what can I get for you today?"
And this is the important moment. We need to order.
Right. Paul, how do you order your coffee? Do you say, "I want coffee"?
No, that is a little rude. It is too direct.
Exactly. We want to be polite. So, what phrases can we use?
I usually say, I would like a coffee, please.
Perfect. "I would like" is a magic phrase. It is very polite.
Or you can say, can I have a coffee, please?
Yes, "can I have" is also very common and friendly.
But Emily, ordering just coffee is too simple. There are so many choices.
You are right. The menu is big. You have espresso, Americano, latte, cappuccino.
It can be confusing.
It can, but don't worry. Just choose what you like. For example, I love a latte.
A latte is coffee with lots of hot milk, right?
Yes, it is smooth and milky. What about you, Paul?
I like an Americano. It is strong espresso with hot water, no milk.
Very serious.
I like the strong taste, but wait, we also need to choose the size.
Ah, yes. The sizes. Usually we have small, medium, and large.
But sometimes coffee shops use Italian names like tall, grande, or venti.
That is true. But if you say small or medium, the barista understands you perfectly.
Good. I will stick to medium.
So, Let's practice a full order. Paul, you are the customer. I am the barista. Ready?
I am ready.
Hi there. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thanks. Can I have a medium Americano, please?
Sure. Would you like room for milk?
Oh, room for milk. That means, do I want empty space in the cup to add cold milk later?
Exactly.
No room, please. I like it black.
Okay. Anything else to eat? A muffin? A croissant?
Ooh, a croissant sounds good. Yes, please. 1 butter croissant.
Great. Is that for here or to go?
Ah, this is an important question. For here or to go?
Yes. For here means you will sit at a table in the shop. You get a ceramic cup.
And to go means you are leaving. You get a paper cup with a lid.
Correct. So, Paul?
To go, please. I am busy today.
Okay, that will be $5, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. We will call your name when it's ready.
Good job, Emily. That felt like a real coffee shop.
Thanks. It is simple when you know the phrases.
But Emily, there is one thing that always happens.
What is that?
They ask for your name to write on the cup.
Oh, yes.
And they always spell my name wrong.
Really? But Paul is an easy name. P-A-U-L.
I know, but sometimes they write Poe or Paul. It is very funny.
It is a coffee shop tradition. Wrong names on cups.
Now, let's talk about the routine after you order.
Okay, so if you say, for here, you need to find a table.
Sometimes the shop is very full. It is crowded.
Yes, you see one empty chair, but maybe someone is sitting next to it. What do you say?
You can ask, "Excuse me, is this seat taken?"
That is a perfect phrase. Is this seat taken?
And if they say, "No, go ahead," then you can sit down.
And what do people do in coffee shops?
Oh, many things. I see people working on their laptops.
Yes, the digital nomads. They are typing and drinking coffee.
For them, the most important question is not about coffee.
What is it?
It is, what is the Wi-Fi password?
So true. Do you have Wi-Fi is a very common question.
I also see people reading books. It is a cozy place to read.
It is. The atmosphere is usually relaxing. There's soft music playing, jazz or acoustic guitar.
I like that. But sometimes I go to the coffee shop to meet a friend.
That is the best reason. It is a social routine.
Yes, let's grab a coffee is a great way to invite a friend to talk.
Let's grab a coffee. I like that phrase. It sounds very natural.
It does. So, imagine I am waiting for my friend Mike.
Okay, you are sitting at the table.
And I see Mike walking in the door. I wave my hand.
You can say, "Over here, Mike."
Yes, over here. And when he comes to the table, we greet each other.
You don't say hello formally. You say,
Hey, good to see you. Or how have you been?
and then you talk for hours
And drink more coffee.
and eat more cake.
Yes, coffee shops often have delicious food. Pastries, cakes, sandwiches.
Do you have a favorite coffee shop snack, Paul?
I really like a blueberry muffin. It goes well with coffee. What about you?
I love a chocolate brownie, but only a small one.
A small one is enough. It is very sweet.
Now, sometimes people have special requests for their coffee.
Oh, yes. Customizing the order.
It sounds difficult, but it is easy. For example, the milk.
Not everyone drinks cow's milk.
Right. Many people like plant-based milk now.
Like almond milk, or soy milk, or oat milk.
Oat milk is very popular these days.
So you can say, "Can I have a latte with oat milk, please?"
Exactly. Or maybe you want it sweeter.
You can ask, "Can I have extra sugar?" or "Can I have some syrup?"
Vanilla syrup is very nice. A vanilla latte.
Wow, I am getting thirsty, Emily. All this talk about coffee.
Me too. I think I need another cup.
But before we go to the coffee shop, we should review a little.
Good idea. So, to be polite, we use I would like or can I have?
And we choose for here or to go.
And if we want to sit, we ask, is this seat taken?
Simple phrases, but very useful.
Do you tip the barista, Paul?
Haha, the tip jar. Yes, usually. If I pay with cash, I put the coins in the jar.
That is nice. In some countries, tipping is very important. In others, it is not.
That is true. It depends on where you are. But saying thank you is important everywhere.
Yes, always say thank you when they give you your drink.
And tell them, have a nice day.
It makes everyone feel good.
You know, Emily, I think the coffee shop is my favorite classroom.
Why is that?
Because I can listen to people talking. I can hear real English conversation.
That is a wonderful tip for our listeners. Go to a coffee shop, buy a drink, and just listen.
Yes, listen to how people order. Listen to friends laughing. It is great practice.
And it is relaxing. No stress.
Exactly. Just coffee and English.
Well, Paul, I think our time is almost up.
Oh, no. Time flies when we talk about coffee.
It does. But this was a fun conversation.
Very fun. I hope our listeners are ready to go order their next coffee in English with confidence.
I am sure they are. So, everyone, we have a question for you today.
Yes. Please tell us in the comments, what is your favorite coffee order?
Do you like a latte, an Americano, or maybe just tea?
And do you like oat milk or cow's milk? Tell us your order.
We love reading your comments. It is like having coffee with you.
Yes, it is. Please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And share this video with your coffee-loving friends.
Thank you so much for listening today. Have a wonderful, caffeinated day.
Yes, enjoy your coffee. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.